Namo Buddhaya. Today we will discuss about magnets. There are different type of magnets such as permanent magnet, electromagnet and temporary magnet. Depending on the shape of the permanent magnet, we can further categorize them as horseshoe magnet, bar magnet and ring magnet. In this diagram, first one is letter U-shaped magnet. It is called horseshoe magnet. The second one is a rod shaped one. It is called bar magnet. And the last one, ring shaped one, it is called ring magnet. Under this lesson, we will discuss about these topics: use of magnet, magnetic material and non-magnetic material, pole of a magnet, magnetic field of a magnet, and magnetic field lines surrounding a bar magnet. Magnets are widely used in day-to-day life. You can see different examples are given in this diagram: loudspeaker, motor, door lock, bags, toys, and compass. These are some other instances where we use magnets. Magnetism is a property of some material. Materials which attract to magnets are called magnetic material. Material which do not attract to magnets are called non-magnetic material. Depending on the magnetism, we can categorize them into two categories like magnetic materials and non-magnetic material. You can see some examples are given for magnetic materials such as iron, nickel, chromium, steel. For non-magnetic materials, some examples are glass, wood, plastic, copper. There are some metals also under non-magnetic materials such as copper, lead, aluminium. These are not attracted to the magnet. That's why we categorize them as non-magnetic material. Here you can see poles of a magnet. Bar magnet is given in this diagram. There are two poles such as North Pole and South Pole. Letter S denote South Pole and letter N denote North Pole. Region of a magnet where magnetic power is concentrated is called as magnetic pole. You can see in this diagram some iron fillings are concentrated near to North Pole and South Pole. Reason for that is the magnetic force is greater near to the pole, and when move away from the pole, magnetic power decrease. Now attraction and repulsions are the characteristic of the magnet. When you place a south pole and north pole of bar magnet near to each other, they will attract. Once you place both north poles or south pole together, they will repel. Like poles are repel, unlike poles are attract. You can see magnetic field of a magnet given this diagram. The magnetic field is defined as the area that the magnetic force exists around the magnet. Now here we can get this result by placing iron filling on a piece of paper and keep a bar magnet beneath the paper. Once you tap the paper, iron fillings will arrange into this pattern. It is spread everywhere in a particular pattern. This is called magnetic field, the area where magnetic force exists. What is magnetic field line? These are imaginary lines used to denote the influence of magnetic field. You can see some lines are drawn from north pole to south pole of this bar magnet. Arrowhead is indicate the direction of the magnetic field. It is always north pole to south pole. Field lines are generate from north pole and end up with south pole. Compass is important to detect the magnetic field. Now you can see in this compass there is a needle, and red color end of the needle is north pole of the magnet of the needle and the other end is south pole. When you place this type of compass near to a bar magnet, since north pole and north pole repel, red color end will indicate away from the north, that is the direction of the magnetic field line. When you place compass near to south pole, red color end is toward the south pole. that also denote the direction of the magnetic field line. Now, based on this lesson, you can do the exercise given in your textbook in the page number 93 and 94. Teruvan Saranai.